Hi everyone, this is Tanya Akhtar. So today my group and I will be talking about how digital tools like Slack, Teams and Zoom have influenced team productivity and workplace culture at HSBC. It's a simple but important topic because HSBC is a huge global bank and the way they use digital tools has completely changed how their teams work. So this is our group members. There are five members in our group: Joycey, Babulal, Sami, Saim, and me, Tanya Akhtar. So this slide is about the overview of HSBC and challenges. Just to set the scene, HSBC operates in more than 60 countries, which sounds impressive, but it also creates real challenges. The teams are spread across different time zones, making coordination difficult. Before digital tools became central, people relied heavily on email, and that shut down decision making a lot. Then came to the shift to remote and hybrid work, and that made the need for better digital solutions even more urgent. So this slide about digital transformation investment. To keep up, HSBC started investing seriously in digital transformation. They created what they call a digital application map, basically a way to organize and streamline all the system people use across the company. They also formed a technology governance group to make use digital innovation stays a priority. Overall, most one-fifth of their operating expenses now go into technology, which shows how committed they are to improving the way their team works.
Digital tools are technological tools that are used to complete a process or a platform. They are used to complete a task, deliver a service, or support a process. Examples of this we have email, Outlook, Gmail, we have Zoom, we have Slack, we have WhatsApp. But in the course of this, we are going to deal with just Zoom, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. The first example we're going to talk about is Microsoft Team. Microsoft Team is an application that is used by organizations. They use it for remote work and collaboration. It can also be used for internal communication and partnership. Then it can be used for training and knowledge sharing. As an organization, they use Microsoft Team for sharing of knowledge among their staff. They use it for internal communication among their employees. Then you can also use it for remote job. The second one we're going to talk about is Zoom. Zoom is also an application that is used by employers or organization. They use it for internal collaborations. They use it for customer education. They also use it for staff meetings and training. And it can also be used for public webinars in the sense that to share information about the organizations to the public so that they can have in-depth knowledge of what the organization is about, to give the public an appropriate or enhanced knowledge about what the public, what the organization is about. They use it to share information among their employees. The last one we're going to talk about is Slack. Slack is used for software development. It aids or it assists in incident management. It is able to monitor incidents and is able to streamline and manage it so that it does not affect the company's growth and well-being. It is also used for software development.
Yeah, I am Hassan Sami. Now, looking at the internal collaboration and the corporate digital usage as it affect the employee collaboration in terms of their team productivity. We could see that HSBC is a bank that operates over in over 58 countries, having over 211 million workers. And these workers need to work collaboratively. Somebody in the Asia working with someone in the in England, and not physically but rather remotely or hybridly. And this can only be done with the use of artificial intelligence. Now, we could see that digital apps such as Teams were used to introduce in-office days in collaboration. A worker in England will be working in the Microsoft Office, which will be reflecting immediately with another worker in the Asian part of the world or in Africa. And this promotes smooth working and smooth and leads to effectiveness and efficiency in their operation. Results also show that 59% of the HSBC workers work hybridly and also work remotely across the board. 77% of their employees, they also feel relaxed and comfortable to work collaboratively with their what? With their team. Yeah. The adoption of AI tools, digital platforms such as Team, Zoom, and Slacks does not just bring about team productivity due to their collaboration. This collaboration also reflects on their customer. The digital bank adoption also increases. Now, the statistics show that bank has left the four corner of the bank world, is now on the street, is now in the air. So when the bank, the team have been able to carry along their bank customers, educate them. When new app is built, when new app is introduced, they will channel it to the what? To the bank customer, because they are the end users. Take it as responsibility and train them on how to get it used. So this shows that about 55% of their small medium enterprise now is now using digital channels. Also mobile payments surge to 220%. They also have increase in app download to about 155%. Not only this, but also their wholesale digital transaction increased to about 84%. Yeah. On this slide, I would like to talk about the impact on innovation as a result of the team productivities in their internal collaboration. Now, I will have a video here that I love to play, but the time is against me. I will not be able to do that. But the link of the video is on the slide. Now, quickly, the innovation impact on the bank was that they were able to exploit tokenized deposit and also digital asset. Also, we all know that banks now have now modernized their global payment. Right from any part of the world, you can pay into another bank, another country currency in the same bank or to another bank. Also, joint venture with trade shift for embedded.
This is Shamsir Simon speaking, and thank you, Hassan, for providing me the stage. And I would like to talk about how AI and digital tools are affecting decision making at HSBC. So HSBC now works with teams from different countries because of this global teamwork, employees can share their ideas quickly, compare different viewpoints, and make stronger and more informed decisions. And the bank has also introduced agile development, which is supported by modern digital platforms. So this means the teams can respond faster to new challenges, market changes, or customer needs. When a new problem appears, they don't have to wait for long process. They can take actions immediately. And another important improvement is that uh, most meetings are now recorded of this bank. So this helps teams review their discussions whenever they need, and it reduces confusions, make follow-up tasks easier, and ensures everyone clearly understand what decisions were made. Let's have a look on impact on productivity at HSBC. So faster decision making via real-time communication means like teams can share update instantly, reduce delays, and helping decision happen quickly and efficiently. And also, by using shared platforms instead of long email threads, employees spend less time managing emails and more time on import tasks. So on the right side slide, it shows that IT suppliers spend concentrations, and currently the top 5 suppliers account for 50% of total spend, while around 40,000 other suppliers make up to remaining 50%. And HSBC aims to move to the target state where the top 4 suppliers account for 80% of total spend and the remaining suppliers account for only 20%. Okay, so lastly, I would like to talk about digital service improving efficiency at HSBC. So one major improvement is client onboarding. This process, which used to take a long time, but now this process takes very less time, like only 3 days, and thanks to AI tools and automation for this. And also, HSBC uses digital trade finance, APIs, and multi-currency wallet to support international business. And also, these technologies help a customer handle transactions more easily and manage their global operations smoothly. So because of these digital services, HSBC can provide faster, more accurate, and more convenient support to clients around the world. So overall, AI is helping the bank reduce time, minimize errors, and deliver a high quality of service.
Good afternoon. My name is Joyce. Thank you, Sayam. So I'll be talking about the ethical and legal implication. So strict compliance with data, privacy and security standard. We'll also be talking about the managing digital inequality across the region. Then avoiding burnout from always on communication culture. In conclusion, the research result shows that digital tools such as Slash, Zoom, and Team improve HSBC team collaboration, connectivity, and cultural productivity.
So let's talk about our group reflection. So overall, there are a few things we learned from looking at HSBC and how they use digital tools. First, digital tools are not just nice to have anymore. They are essential for teams, especially in global companies. Tools like Teams, Slack, and Zoom really do make work faster and more connected. Second, we realize that digital transformation takes a lot of investment, not just in technology, but also in training people and changing how teams work. HSBC shows that when a company commits to this, they can improve productivity, decision making, and collaboration in a big way. Thirdly, we learned that digital tools also come with responsibilities. Things like data privacy, security, and even managing burnout from being always online need to be taken seriously. And we also talk about the insight about AI and digital management in business. So AI improve decisions by analyzing large data quickly and accurately. Digital tools enhance teamwork, enabling smooth collaboration across locations. Automation boosts productivity by reducing repetitive manual tasks. AI drives innovation, helping companies create new digital services and solutions. Good data management is essential to ensure privacy, security, and compliance. Digital leadership skills are now required for effective team and technology management.
Yeah, I'm Sami Hassan. Now we'll be talking about ethical and practical challenges as a group reflection discussion. Yeah. One of the ethical challenges or the practical challenges that we encounter or we faced was that the research topic is related to bank. That is, our case study is HSBC Bank. And we are able to get information freely from the bank website and articles. However, physical consultation with the bank managers and uh, the bank the bank uh, the bank employees and their customers, because it's related to bank, there is a limitation to information source. So there is kind of privacy, information privacy was the challenges we have ethically here. So my colleagues will continue from there.
So this is Sam again, and I am talking about team collaboration in our group reflection discussion. So working with my team like Tanya, Hassan, Joyce, Hadi, and myself, Siam, has been a very positive experience. Each of us contributed different ideas and perspectives, which helped us make better decisions and solve problems more efficiently. We communicated openly, shared responsibilities, and supported each other whenever challenges arose. And using digital tools made us easier to collaborate, keep us on track, and stay organized. So, overall, our teamwork strengthened our understanding, improved productivity, and allowed us to complete the project successfully. Thank you.
The challenges we faced as a team was arranging meeting time and venue to make sure everyone was available. Then time management, there was no enough time for us as a team to really explain one after the other. Then we also have this interpersonal conflict during roles and responsibilities.
Hello, I'm Adenike Babalola for Group 6. Myself and my group member, we had a group discussion, a reflection on artificial intelligence effects on business, how it can enhance business productivity. We talked about Microsoft Teams, we talked about Slack, we talked about Zoom, and how digital tools can enhance business productivity, profitability, and goodwill.